Hi, I'm Arafat. Before starting, Tesla is a famous for electric cars and missions accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Sounds perfect and ethical and sustainable, right? But if you dig deeper inside, then you find factory labor complaints, autopilot safety risk, and a lot of things about Elon Musk leadership style and a lot of things. And it's not my saying. It's by Human Rights 2025 and Modern Diplomacy 2025. So today, using all our three Milos, Milo 1, Milo 2, and Milo 3, I will try to analyze Tesla's ethics, highlights challenge, and suggest some fixes. So let's get into Milo 1, uh, utilitarian views. So starting with the utilitarianism, from Milo 1, does Tesla create greatest good for greatest number? To be honest, yes. The EV and solar products avoid millions of tons of carbon dioxide, which is very good for our planets. But but the con side is the factory has a lot of issues inside. The work pressure from the production targets and autopilot crash, a lot of ESG misleadings, and a lot of things. So positive, i- if you investigate a lot of things together, the 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 view is positive. But the thing is, but Tesla could boost the total happiness by fixing those worker and all other problem as well. Uh, let's think about other theories as well. So let's go to the deontological row. Focuses on duties like honesty and human dignity. We link this in a class to like in our actual class with safety and transparency, a lot of things. So actually, Tesla struggles here, hiding accident and downplaying like autopilot risk, violate those basic rules. If you think about virtue ethics, ask about characters. For example, like political wisdom versus recklessness. This is what actually virtue ethics, right? So Tesla shows courage betting early on EVs and battery recyclings. But Elon Musk aggressive culture looks arrogant, not modern. So uh, if you think about stakeholder role as well, customer and climate wins, but the workers and the community they loses over safety risk and noise pollution, a lot of things. If we go to the Milo 2, if we go to the Milo 2, if we look at the challenges, for example, if we look at the environmental challenge, the Tesla's core is low carbon tech with recycling progress, better than old car makers that we have to say. But it focuses on scope one and two emission, 1 to 2 emission, right? But mining for the batteries, mining for the raw materials creates scope 3 problems, and the local pollution hits communities, human rights, a lot of things. Social challenges, factory report, unsafe, unconditioned, and anti union pressure, just like Vietnamese factory case. You know, speed, cost decent, but cost over like decent work. And if we think about government governance challenges, like weak board cannot rein in like Musk conflicts, and these are the classic ESG gaps. Let's move on to the next slide. Um, is it ESG or greenwashing? To be honest, if you ask me my personal opinion, I would say it's not greenwashing, but it's not ESG either. How? Why it's not greenwashing? To be honest, they are not like Volkswagen. They are not like Volkswagen. They are not lying to the people. But at the same time, they have a lot of flaws in their ESG programs. For example, Tesla cares about carbon emission. That's not fake. That's right. But labor scandals, it's pulling it back. Elon Musk was calling ESG is a scam, while Tesla is actually a sustainability product, it's not going along honestly. So that's why it's a mixed signal. For me, it's a mixed signal, not fully honest over their greenwashing or ESG program. If we go to the next slide, if we talk about Elon Musk itself, is his leadership, then the good side is he's very powerful, he's very keen on, he's very inspiring on zero emission, and he took the company from scratch to a multi, like a tech company, a tech giant. The problem is he has a lot of problems, to be honest. For example, firing over email, for example, hardcore work pressure on the employees, and mocking, criticism, and defensive always to the to critics. So this actually misses the fairness of of a leader. That's what we not expect from an ethical leader. So if you ask, is he visionary? Yes. But is he ethical? Not quite. That's my personal opinion. In conclusion, I would like to say that my actually I would give you three, just three simple uh, suggestions. Make the boat more independent to watch Elon Musk better. Second would be actually enforce worker safety in facilities, in factories. And three is stop over promising on autopilot and ESG. Let's be honest. Fix these three, and Tesla becomes a real ethical leader, or Elon Musk become a real ethical leader. That's the overall presentation for Tesla. Thank you so much.